Hello everyone. Today we are going to introduce GS320 infrared thermometer. This infrared thermometer belongs to the electronic industry thermometer, which is easy to operate and can accurately measure the temperature within 0.5 seconds, thus helping us to quickly find out the damaged chip. Next, I will show you how to use this infrared thermometer. All we need to do is install the battery. We know that after the hashboard is powered on, the temperature of the damaged chip on the hashboard is higher than that of the intact chip. Let's take a look. The temperature of this chip is 30 degrees Celsius. But the temperature of this chip is 49 degrees Celsius. This indicates that the temperature of this chip is abnormal, and a more detailed inspection of this chip is required. Okay, we have finished introducing how to use the GS320 infrared thermometer. Thank you for your trust and support.